The problem with interior shots of the house is that it can not show every angle of the design, and the clients are curious about it. That's why we need to show them some animations using Enscape. Let's dive into Enscape. We don't really need to see these apples and peanut butter. We can show the appliances if they want to get some of the same. But in this case, I would like to remove furnishings such as curtains to show how the house will look like when we deliver it. Let's dive into the settings. In the visual settings, we put the light ambient artificial light lower so it won't lag as much since we have lighting from Enscape. Put the exposure high and dive into the video editor by pressing letter V for video editor. And let's press the letter K to make some points throughout the scene. When we move throughout the scene, let's not uh, change the angles too much. Let's spend some time in the areas where we want to show the client. So let's try to make it smooth by making only minor adjustments. I don't think this will be minor. I think the camera will shake. So let's try to change this. Let me first delete or turn off the layer of any furnishings, things that I don't want to see, that are owner supplied that can change the whole feel of the room, including these curtains. And let's continue updating our scene or camera points, which is saved in the video path of Enscape. Press letter P and we can see a preview. We can make the time duration a bit longer because this is too fast for client visualization. Now the problem with this ratio of widescreen, we cannot really appreciate the powder room because our camera is horizontal. Now we'd like to fix this by going to the visual settings and going to output and changing the ratio so that it will be vertical. We'll make the second around 2080 pixels, and by this we can make new video paths. Now some keyframes actually pass by the wall which glitches, so what I'm gonna do is go to the keyframe after the glitch and adjust the camera by pressing update so that the wall does not glitch inside. Let's do the same ratio for our second floor bedrooms, bathrooms, and even the staircase and export it as a clip. I am so troubled by the soul of mine. I've said those words so many times. Now all of these rendering setup were done in around a span of 7 to 10 minutes, including the render time and animation. Edited in the editor will be around 15 to 30 minutes. Presented to the client for real-time presentation as well during Messenger, getting all the confirmation of which are included in the design and which are owner supplied. Thanks to the help of Enscape, we're easily using it for visualizations, not just rendering still pictures, because animations show what should and can be discussed during the design until construction stage. This is made for a client of home life reality. Realty.